Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $8,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
1967 Ford LTD. 1967 Ford LTD is proof that true American classics never go out of style. If you're looking for a vintage cruiser with authentic character instead of flashy modifications, this one deserves a serious look. Priced at $5,500, this full-size sedan offers an excellent opportunity to own a well-preserved classic without spending a fortune. Located in Kissimmee, Florida, it features only 47,000 original miles, a clean title, and just 2 previous owners, making it even more appealing for collectors and weekend drivers alike. Power comes from a dependable 390 V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission that delivers comfortable highway cruising. The original blue paint still gives the car plenty of nostalgic charm, while the matching blue interior completes its factory appearance. According to the seller, the engine runs strong, the transmission shifts well, the brakes are new, and the tires remain in good condition. A new fuel tank sending unit is included and simply needs installation. Overall, this Ford LTD offers originality, reliability, and timeless style at an affordable price. 1976 Chevrolet El Camino. 1976 Chevrolet El Camino perfectly combines classic muscle car performance with the practicality of a pickup, creating a vehicle that stands out wherever it goes. With an asking price of $5,750, this eye-catching classic delivers impressive value for enthusiasts searching for something unique. Located in Longwood, Florida, it has served as a dependable daily driver and even completed the demanding 2,600-mile hot rod power tour without experiencing any mechanical problems along the journey. Under the hood sits a healthy 350 small block Chevrolet V8 equipped with upgraded comp cams components, an Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley carburetor, and dual exhaust system. The rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission and 4.10 Posey rear axle provide enjoyable performance both around town and on the highway. The air conditioning blows cold, most interior features work properly, and 2 complete wheel sets are included. Although the body has some rust and minor cosmetic imperfections, this El Camino remains mechanically sound, dependable, and ready for countless enjoyable miles ahead. 1969 Ford Galaxy 500 Country Sedan Wagon. 1969 Ford Galaxy 500 Country Sedan Wagon is a classic family cruiser that blends vintage style, V8 power, and plenty of personality into one affordable package. If you've been dreaming about owning a classic station wagon that stands out from the crowd, this could be the perfect opportunity. Priced at $5,900, this blue wagon offers impressive value for its equipment and overall condition. Located in Vernon, New Jersey, it runs and drives well while leaving enough room for the next owner to add their own finishing touches. Power comes from a strong 390 V8 engine backed by a dependable C6 automatic transmission and a durable 9-inch rear axle. Factory features include power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning, and dual exhaust for a comfortable driving experience. Chrome Craig RSS wheels give the wagon an aggressive vintage look, while a brand new Edelbrock aluminum 4-barrel intake manifold is included with the sale. The seller mentions it needs a little TLC, but its solid mechanical foundation makes it an exciting and affordable classic. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville brings together classic luxury, unmistakable styling, and big block V8 power in one unforgettable American cruiser. If you enjoy driving vintage cars with plenty of road presence, this Bonneville deserves your attention. Priced at $6,000, it offers an affordable way to own one of Pontiac's most iconic full-size models. Located in Greenville, South Carolina, this blue classic has plenty of character and remains a fun choice for weekend drives or future restoration projects. Under the hood is a powerful 6.4-liter V8 paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth and comfortable performance. The seller says the car runs and drives great, making it enjoyable to use while improvements are completed over time. Like many classics of this age, it has rust in several areas and small oil and transmission fluid leaks that should be addressed. Even with those imperfections, it remains a solid opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable full-size classic with timeless styling and unmistakable Pontiac heritage. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL Coupe. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL Coupe proves that affordable classics can still offer style, comfort, and an impressive list of modern upgrades. If you're searching for a well-maintained vintage coupe that's ready to enjoy, this one deserves a closer look. Offered at only $4,500, it provides outstanding value for anyone wanting a dependable classic with personality. Located in Bridgeton, New Jersey, this burgundy coupe has been carefully maintained while keeping much of its original charm intact. The original 260 V8 engine is paired with an automatic transmission, and the body remains remarkably solid with no structural rust in the floors, trunk, or frame. Recent improvements include a new gas tank, carburetor, brakes, shocks, springs, heater components, bearings, and much more. Inside, the red interior looks exceptionally clean with no tears or sagging headliner. Bluetooth audio, upgraded speakers, and a custom subwoofer add modern convenience, while the included stock wheels and performance suspension parts make this Cutlass an even better value. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino is an affordable classic that offers the perfect combination of vintage muscle car attitude and everyday practicality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly project that already runs and drives, this could be exactly what you've been waiting for. With a firm price of just $3,000, it stands out as one of the best bargains available. Located in Gainesville, Virginia, this black El Camino has been owned by the same seller for more than a decade. Power comes from a dependable 305 V8 connected to a 350 automatic transmission. Although it hasn't been driven regularly for the last few years, the seller confirms it starts, runs, drives, and stops. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, aluminum radiator, spark plugs, and valve cover gaskets. The body has some rust around the quarter panels and rear frame rail, but the interior remains in respectable condition. For someone wanting an inexpensive restoration project, this El Camino offers plenty of classic potential. 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air. 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air offers an exciting opportunity for anyone searching for a classic Chevrolet with a remarkably solid body and excellent restoration potential. Instead of paying premium prices for a completed build, you can start with a strong foundation and create your own vision. Priced at $5,800, this vintage four-door provides excellent value for dedicated classic car enthusiasts. Located near Sand Lake, Michigan, it comes with a title and plenty of promising features. One of this Bel Air's biggest strengths is its exceptionally clean sheet metal. According to the seller, the rockers, floors, trunk, and frame are all in very good condition compared to many similar cars currently available. The interior is mostly complete but would benefit from a new carpet and some cosmetic attention. While the engine appears to be locked, The overall condition of the body makes this Chevrolet an attractive restoration candidate. For buyers who appreciate solid foundations, this Bel Air is definitely worth considering. 1953 Buick Special 2-Door. 1953 Buick Special 2-Door is the kind of vintage American classic that immediately sparks the imagination of restoration enthusiasts. If you've been searching for an authentic project with timeless styling and plenty of originality, this Buick deserves a closer look. Priced at $5,500, it offers a solid opportunity to revive a piece of automotive history without paying collector-level prices. Located in DeMont, Indiana, the car comes with a clean title and has spent many years safely stored indoors. Under the hood is the original straight-8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, preserving the car's authentic factory setup. Although the engine currently does not run, it turns over freely by hand, giving the next owner a promising starting point for restoration. The vehicle was refinished during the 1980s and now shows normal signs of age, including some rust and cosmetic imperfections. It also needs brake work before returning to the road. Overall, this Buick offers originality, character, and outstanding restoration potential for dedicated classic car enthusiasts. 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Sedan. 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Sedan is a classic project car with plenty of promise for anyone who enjoys bringing vintage American cars back to life. Instead of starting with an expensive restoration, this Malibu gives you the chance to build something special at a very reasonable price. Offered for just $4,500, it presents an attractive value for classic Chevrolet fans. Located in Lutz, Florida, the car comes with a clean title and appears to have approximately 34,000 miles showing on the odometer. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 and automatic transmission, the engine turns over, giving buyers a solid foundation to work with. According to the seller, the car needs a transmission along with bodywork and fresh paint, but its structure remains solid enough to make restoration worthwhile. The blue exterior and matching interior capture the spirit of the mid-1970s perfectly. Whether you're planning a weekend cruiser or a full restoration, this Malibu offers excellent potential at an affordable entry price. 1970 Ford Falcon Base. 1970 Ford Falcon Base is a rare classic that offers something different from the usual vintage Ford lineup. If you enjoy uncommon project cars with excellent customization potential, this Falcon is definitely worth your attention. Priced at $5,000, it gives enthusiasts the opportunity to own one of the final Falcon models without stretching the budget. Located in Carbon Hill, Alabama, this gold-colored classic is being sold as is and is ready for its next chapter. The seller describes this rare 1970.5 Falcon as an excellent candidate for a V8 swap or complete restoration. It already benefits from a brand new gas tank, all new brakes, and nearly new wheels and tires, reducing some of the work needed before moving forward. The engine currently requires cylinder head repairs or a rebuild, and the actual mileage is unknown despite the odometer reading. With its uncommon history, solid upgrade potential, and classic Ford styling, this Falcon makes an exciting project for collectors and muscle car enthusiasts alike.